Today we are going to convert DFA into minimal DFA to minimal DFA conversion. Suppose this DFA is given to us. So first thing what we need to do, manually we remove all non-reachable states. Manually we'll remove all non-reachable states, but it should not be trap state. Then after that, what first thing we will do? First we will write how many number of states we have in this DFA. So number of states what we have: A, B, C, D, E. Then what we will do? We will do partition of final and non-final states. So what are final state? We will divide in two groups, final and non-final. So BC are final states, so this is in one group, and ADC are non-final states, so it is in second group, non-final. Now what we will do, we will see the transition for all states for 0. So we will see, we can see here from B to C. From B there is a transition for 0 transition, it is going towards C, and for C, for 0 transition, it is going towards C only. So we can see these are final states also, and for 0 transition, B is going to C and C is going to C, so we can further put them in a one group. Now in the similar way, we will see transition for ADC for 0 transition. A is going for 0 transition on B, but A is non-final and B is final, so we cannot put them in one group. And similar way we will see the transition for D and C. For 0, with D 0 transition it is going towards E, and for E 0 transition it is going towards E only. So we can put them in one group. Now we will see next step, transition for 1 for all the states. So from B with 0 transition, with 1 transition, where it is heading towards B only. And C with 1 transition, where it is heading, C with 1 transition, it is heading towards 1, and it is heading towards B also. So we can write BC both. So we can say that both are having some common quality, so we can again put them in one group, BC. Now in the similar way we will see for A with 1 transition, where it is heading towards D, and D with 1 transition, where it is heading towards D only, because there is a loop on D. So D, and E with 1 transition, where it is heading towards E only. So here both are heading towards itself when there is a transition for 1. So both are having similar quality, so we can put them in one group, DE again. And because here we can see A is heading towards D, and here A is heading towards B, both are different, so it should be a different state. So we will write like this. So after both the transition 0 and 1, we find that states are coming like that. In these groups, states are divided. So finally we can combine them in one states, and we can write like this: A and BC and DE. So A with 0 transition, where it is heading towards B, so we can make a transition like this. And A with 1 transition, where it is heading towards D, so we can make a transition like this. And for BC with 0 transition, because they are coming in one state, so and they are heading towards C and B only, so we can make a loop of 0 and in the similar way it's heading towards BC, so 0 or 1, and because we are combining D and E also, so we can make a loop of 0 1 on DE also. But here, as we know, BC are final states, B and C both are final state, and they are coming in a single state, so we can make it final state. We can make it final state. This is the minimal DFA with 3 states, and as we are writing here like number of states as we have earlier, so we can write like this also. We can make it, we can name it further new state BC, and in the similar way we can make it new state DE, so make a loop of 0 1. So this is the minimal DFA, with 3 number of states, So this is the way we can find out with similar quality. We can have if the number of states have similar quality, then we can have them in one group, and we will see for 0 and 1 both the transition whatever we have, and if they are coming in the similar group, if the number of states are coming in the similar group, so we can make them one state, and in that way we can minimize the DFA.